Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I'm a fan of chicken, I'm a fan of lime, and I thought I'd put this dish together. That's because I cluck a lot. This delicious lime garlic chicken, and it turned out incredible. Let me walk you through this. You're gonna love it. So first off, what I've got here is half a kilo or about a pound of chicken thighs. I like thighs, you can use a breast too if you want. And I'm going to put these in a Ziploc bag. After that, I'm going to squish a lime in here. I just love lime. Followed by a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And if you don't have this, you can use soy sauce. A tablespoon of brown sugar, just to balance things off. A teaspoon of minced garlic. A good pinch of salt. And of course my all-time favorite, pepper. Now I'm going to add lots of this because I just love pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and seal this up and give this a good massage so everything marinates really well. Oh, the chicken really likes this. And let it marinate for about, I'd say half an hour. You can do this overnight too. Okay, after these guys have nicely marinated, and they smell incredibly delicious, I'm going to lay them on my baking dish lined with some parchment paper. Brush them down with some melted butter, just for some additional flavor. A little bit more pepper. It's going to be so good. Then I'm going to bake this into a 425 Fahrenheit preheated oven, or 220 Celsius, for about 20 minutes. After about 20 to 25 minutes, our chicken is beautifully done. So I'm going to go ahead and serve this up over a bed of rice. Oh, this smells incredible. Garnish this up with some lime zest. Then some lime wedges. And last but not least, freshly chopped cilantro. And there you have it, guys, our lime garlic chicken, simply amazing and delicious. So let's do a taste test here. Incredible, guys. The chicken is so tender, the acidity of the lime, the rice, the spices, and the garlic, just so great. You gotta do this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.